Today we're going to discuss about three-wire start-stop circuit. This is the benchmark fundamentals of our motor control. If you learn this, it will give you a good background of all motor control. Like this. But before we wire this, we are going to go first to the computer and discuss the wiring and schematic diagram. Let's do it. This is the principles of motor control. First, we will do first the very basic. Then later on, as we go on with our discussion, we go to the motor controls. This is series and gate control circuit. Here, this is the initial condition of the circuit. The initial condition of the circuit that our bulb is not lit because this one is open, the two switches is open. The second initial condition of the series and AND gate, we are going to push one of the switches. What will happen to the light? Still not on because one of the switches is open. Let's go to the next slide. But we are not going to switch the first one. What will happen? Still the same, the lights will not on. But if we are going to switch on, lights is on because it is already complete circuit. This is series or AND gate control circuit. And this is parallel or OR gate control circuit. This is the initial condition while we don't push yet the pause button. We didn't push yet any one of the pause button on the circuit. What will happen if we are going to push one of the pause button on the circuit? We are going to push number one switch. What will happen? The current will flow from our supply voltage already on because it's complete circuit. Let's do the next slide. On the next slide, we are going to push the second switch. What will happen? If we're going to push the second switch, still lights is on because the circuit is complete. See? What will happen if we are going to push the two switches? Still light is on because it's complete circuit again. Here, if you saw here, the current will pass through on switch number one, and the current also will pass through on switch number two, going to the lamps and back to the supply voltage.